Hi everyone. See, in order to build agents, right, you have to learn LangChain, LangGraph, particularly LangGraph, across the industry, like across the AI industry. So, in case if you want to build, um, so anything related to agents, so you have to know about LangGraph. So, LangGraph is nothing but I already covered a video regarding LangChain, LangGraph, and LangStudio. So, so LangGraph is nothing but one of the framework which is helpful to create agents. AI agents. It's nothing but it built top of LangChain. Okay, it's built on top of LangChain. It has memory. Memory means it has a state. It will hold the conversations and data. So that's why we're people majorly relying on LangGraph because of that. So it has only three things like state. I mean, major things are state, nodes, edge, node edge. So how you have a graph, it has in DSA you have graph. How you have nodes and edge in the same way, it has these things, conditional edge and all those things will be there. So these are the basic things. So you can do one thing. You can go to this LangChain and official web page. You can search for the courses. You can do this completely LangGraph tutorial. You can go for it. And what I'll do is I there is an official GitHub page, and from there I mean you can anyone can clone the things. So they given some points like so it's a practical hands-on you can say. So you can clone that, and after that you can do some kind of a hands-on. Basically they cover the things with OpenAI. In this entire course they use this OpenAI, and they clearly given the demo like how you can do that, how you can sort of from the LangChain OpenAI, how can you initiate this model, and you can do the so data, how can you give a prompt and how can you get the response, all those things they covered. But my point is like and also they clearly explained how to use some external tools like external APIs like Tavily for doing this web search and do the things internet search, and how to combine all these things to make some applications. In that way they covered. So my point is like instead of this OpenAI, I want to do it in a free way. So my logic is I can use Gemini API. So I can use Google Gemini API because that is free for certain time. After that, you have to pay. So for the learning, I think that will be sufficient. So what I'll do, there is a from the official GitHub page, I clone this entire um, data like logics and everything. It clearly explains what is this and what you have to do and all those stuff. I'll try to give an explanation after that with the help of here they clearly gone with OpenAI API, all these message calls and etc. Of course, if you try with the uh, Gemini, so there might be some challenges like you won't get the result because of you will face some errors. What I'll try to do is in the same script, I'll create a similar script, but instead of OpenAI, I'll use the Gemini and to do the calls, and I can give a proper explanation how you can do all these things. Okay, that's my plan. In that way, I'll thought to try. So we'll see how it goes. But in case we have a OpenAI API with you, and if you want to do some learnings and etc., you can try this thing. So simply they clearly given what are the steps you have to do. Go for it and try to so parallelly run and execute, and in that way you learn something. Finally, you can build your own agentic application using this LangGraph. Okay, that's the idea. This is just a basic. You can consider it as a video zero, you can say. So intro video you can consider. So later I'll try to do all these things hands-on. Module one, module two, module three, module four, everything practically with the help of Gemini API. That's the plan. We'll see how it goes. Okay. Till then, take care. Bye bye.